Assalamualaikum, my name is Shafika and my part is data arrangement. For size sample, we use 50 and the class is from 41 until 136 class. And next, we find relative frequency and cumulative frequency.
Hi, my name is Nurul Isa. Okay, we continue about graphical method. In graphical method, we provide two graphs that are frequency polygon and ogive. For frequency polygon, we use midpoint in x-axis and frequency for y-axis. The highest frequency is 14 at class 57 to 72. For a gift, we use upper class boundaries in x-axis and cumulative frequency at y-axis. The highest cumulative frequency is 50 in class 121 to 136.
Good. Hi everyone, my name is Nurida. So today my part is about measure of central tendency. First of all, we start with mean. So for mean, how we calculate the mean? First of all, we must find our mean point, and next we have our frequency and also total frequency, and next fx and also total fx. Okay. First of all, we must use formula which is x equal total fx divided by n, which is 3.657 must divide by 50. So the answer is 73.4. So for median, we use cumulative frequency and frequency. So the first step is to determine the model class, which is the answer of observation is 25. And so the median class is arranged 57 until 72. So second step is determine the lower class. So the answer is 56.5. So the third step is determine fm minus 1 and also fm. So the answer is fm minus 1 is 30 and the fm is 40. So the last step is to calculate the median, which is enter all data in the formula, and the final answer is 17.21. For the mute is the most frequently in data, so we must find the highest frequency, which is 40. So the model class is 57 until 72. Second step is the lower class, which is 56.5. And the third step is for determine the class width, which is 60. And the fourth step is determine the increment, which is increment 1 is 1 and increment 2 is 2. And the final step is calculate the mute. So the final answer is.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatin Auni binti Lukman. My matrix number is HFT20203. And my part is measures of variation. Measures of variation have three parameters, that is range, variance, and standard deviation. The first step, we find midpoint, which is x squared, frequency, fx, and fx squared. Step 2, we focus on range. The formula is maximum data entry and minimum data entry. So 136 minus 41. So the answer is 95. Next, we find the measures variation, and the answer is about 50,032.58. And the last one for standard deviation is about 223.68.
Okay, we continue about measurement position. To determine the measurement of position, the data must be sorted from lowest to highest. For quartile 1, we get 12.5. So the class interval is 41 to 56. For quartile 3, we get 37.5. So the class interval is 73 to 88. Step 2, for find the interquartile range, the formula is 3 quartile 1. So quartile 3 is 86.68 minus 55.86. So the final answer is 30.75.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Amira binti Lugani and my matric number is H21B2550. For this part, I'll talk about the shape of data distribution. The shape of data distribution is skewed to the right, which is mean 73.14, median 70.21, and mode 61.83. Next, let's move to part B, which is introduction of data and variables involved. The independent variables is commodities and the dependent variables is service. We use 45 sample.
For the person product is the total for sum X is 161.6, sum Y is 233.1, sum X square is 911.65, sum Y square is 1610.97, and sum XY is 1190.61, and enter the all data in formula, so the final answer is 0.8720. So there are strong positive correlation between X and Y.
For simple linear, we find B1 and B0. The answer for B1 is 0.8679, and then for B0 is 2.0634. So the slope is for every year's increase in the commodities CPI, the numbers of percent will increase about 0.8679. Next, when years of service CPI is 0, the number of percent is 2.0634.